Today I will show you how to create a W-2 form. From the dashboard, go to this blue ribbon and click Forms. Choose your tax year, and then scroll down until you find the form you'd like to create. At the top right, you can switch to the IRS form view if that's more comfortable for you. You can also click here to turn off auto calculation, and click here if it's state-only filing. Here you will enter the relevant information. Here you will select your employer. Notice it auto-populates. Here you will select your employee, which also auto-populates. Then you will enter the relevant information in all these boxes. When you're finished, you will save and continue to submit this form by itself. You can click here to save and add another W-2 form, or you can click here to save this one and add a different form entirely. And that's it.